Good afternoon, students. We are studying lesson plan. Earlier I have uploaded 2 videos and there were 2 parts of the structure that is to be followed while teaching, while making the lesson plan. And we have studied up till writing the presentation, how to write the presentation. If your presentation is divided into 2 units, you write unit 1 and then you write the from where to where you are taking unit 1 and write unit 2 from where to where you are taking unit 2. Now today we will start with how to present these units. Suppose we are having 2 units. In a prose generally we have 2 units and the poetry is generally done with 1 unit. So today we will start with unit 1. Now you write the heading unit 1. And after that, we have to divide our page into 5 columns. Now, here in the first column, you have to write teaching point. Teaching point, or it is also called as the objective. You can write here objective also. In the second column, we write teacher's activity. In the third column, we again write, if you are writing your objective, you don't write here. You write here objective or behavior change. Behavior, what is the objective of teaching and what is the behavioral changes that you will be seeing in the students. If you wish, you can write in full sentence behavioral change seen in the students. So this is the third column. Fourth column is the student's activity. And then fifth column is the blackboard work. So we divide the page into 5 columns and these are the 5 points that you have to take. Now in teaching objectives, we are following Herbert 5-step method of teaching. So in that there will be 5 points, 5 teaching points, and then accordingly these columns will be followed. So the first point in Herbert 5-step method is model reading. As we are teaching English, so in the model reading, what will be the teacher's activity? The teacher will read the lesson or the poem with correct pronunciation, with correct stress and intonation. And here, if the teacher is reading, what will be the change in the students? Now, I want to tell you that in language, if you are teaching, under behavioral changes, you can have, there are generally 5 points. So first is the knowledge of the student is increased. Second is skill. The students are skilled in reading the English with correct pronunciation, with correct intonations. Third point is cognitive development. In the students cognitive development, that is mental development takes place, and their logical power and all those things they develop. The fourth point is the experimental experimental objective is fulfilled. That means the students, they know how to test something, they know how to read, to listen to the teacher and then grasp it. All these things are there. So in the objective of behavioral changes, these 4 points are there, and according to your teaching objective, you will use these 4 points. These 4 points may not be used in every teaching point. Okay. Now if you are doing model reading, what is the teacher activity? The teacher is reading. And what is the behavioral change seen in the students? The knowledge of the student is increased. So only this behavioral change will be written in for this point. Students' activity will be, students will listen to the teacher very carefully. And the blackboard work, as we have seen in the previous videos, we were reading about a lesson or a poem called Trees. So on the blackboard work, for the first point, you will write the heading of the lesson or the poem that you are teaching. So I think all this is clear. Now we come to the second point. Second point is imitative reading. In imitative reading, what will be the teacher's activity? The teacher will ask 3 or 4 students or randomly students from the class to read the lesson turn by turn. And in the behavioral change, what you will see, when the students are imitating the teacher with the correct pronunciation, their skill is increasing. So in this second point, this behavioral change, this skill will be, this point will be taken. So you will write in the, for the second point you will write here, the skill of the students is increased. They read with correct, they grasp the correct pronunciation and the stress and the intonations. Students' activity will be, the students will read the lesson turn by turn. There is no blackboard work over here. So students, this is the lesson plan till the second teaching point, and after that the third and fourth and the fifth point will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much.